Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix a broken Arrow not launching or it just keeps crashing. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to Steam, look for Broken Arrow. Once you find it, right click on it and go ahead and hit Properties. From here, go ahead and make your way over to Installed Files, and then go ahead and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now once that is done, you can go ahead and X out, make your way over to the search bar, type in Device Manager. Once the Device Manager is open, you can go ahead and make your way over to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver, and then go ahead and choose Search Automatically for Drivers. This is one way of updating your drivers. Another way is by going over to the NVIDIA app if you have it installed. Go over to Drivers once it's open, make your way over to Download if you have any downloads available. If you're on AMD, you can use the AMD app, or what you can do is manually install it from a browser of your choice. Once you do all these methods, I recommend restarting your PC and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.